Hello, this is Stuart over at Multimedia Corp with Stuart's Random Tech and Media, bringing you another tutorial video. Today, I am going to be showing you how to change your default search engine in Google Chrome, Brave, and Microsoft Edge. All right. Some people are very security minded and they don't want their search engine to be Google or Bing or one of the other big ones, and they don't like being tracked around the web. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first thing you want to do is open up your Google Chrome, and just to bring up the screen, and then up on the top right corner we have the three dots in Chrome. So we're starting off with Chrome. You click the three dots, you go down to settings, you go down to search engine on the left side over here. Okay, right now the search engine used in the address bar is Google. So we're going to click on this, manage search engines and site search. We click on that, and as you can see, we have google.com, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia. Now, if you just wanted to simply change it to Bing or DuckDuckGo, you would just click there and click Make Default, and that's all you have to do. However, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it with none of these and your own custom search engine. I actually do have a custom search engine on my own virtual private server that does not track people when they do the searches. It does not log and it does not track. And it's through a software called SearXNG. All right, so we're going to do that. We're going to change that. So the first thing you want to do is click on Site Search and go to Add. All right, so we have super cool search engine. For the shortcut, I'm just going to put :FW. That's my own reminder, but we could go, let's say, OS or US. It doesn't really matter that much, but we just need to keep it consistent. And for the URL, now, if you're putting in your own search engine, you'd have to go to their site to find it. But for mine, anyways, that's publicly available. You can simply type this https://fwaa.xyz/search $Q equals %S. And that is the actual search query for my search engine that I'm using personally, which doesn't track or log your queries. All right, simply click Add. And then when I go to down here, I can click on the three dots and make that the default. All right, so now I can go up to here and click in the search bar and type ultra cool shoes. And you can see at the top, my own search engine came up, which is based on SearX. So if you wanted to check out SearX, you could go to SearXNG, do a search for that, and we have the documentation. So welcome to SearX. This is the search engine that I'm based on, and anyone can do a Docker container or script, but that's out of the scope of this video. All right, so now we're going to start doing Brave. Okay, so this one already has DuckDuckGo or its own search engine as a default. It's a little better than Google Chrome, but let's say you still wanted to do that. So we're going up to the top right corner, go down to settings, and then we're going to go to search engine over on this side. And as you can see, this one's set up as Google and Brave in private window. Okay, so we're going to go to manage search engines and site search, which is very similar to Google Chrome. And we're going to go down and add our own. Again, we're going to call Ultra Super Cool Search Engine that doesn't track me. shortcut, we'll just say US again. And for the search query, same thing as last time. Q equals %S. Add that. Go click over here and make that the default. Now when I do a search, up in the top bar, ultra high-end shoes. And here we go, it came up again. So that worked out just perfectly. So all these results, they come from different search engines and they aggregate them into a single page for you. All right, so we're going to move on to Edge. All right, so with Microsoft Edge, here's the default setup. Again, we're going to the top corner here, clicking on the dots, go to Settings. And it's a little different in this one. They've changed around quite a bit actually. But anyways, we're scrolling over to, okay, we're going to go to Privacy, Search, and Services. And we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And where it says Address Bar and Search, you're going to click there. And right now it's set to Bing. We don't want that. Manage Search Engines. And we have a whole bunch in here, including Pixabay for some reason. And we're going to click Add again. Ultra super cool search engine. Yay. Shortcut. I'll just say US again. All right, so we add that in. Bang. Make that the default. Now when we go up here, we type, hello, I need a new pair of shoes. And there we have it. So anytime there's this default search query, it'll take you straight to, well, my own public instance of the search engine, but you could set up your own search XNG. They have a list of a whole bunch of them as well if you wanted to set them up. And it's searx.space. And these are 110 online instances right now. So these are all public-facing search engines you could use that supposedly don't track you. I mean, if you don't know the person, you never know, but supposedly these all have A+. So any of these will do. If you click on one of them, this one comes up with searx. If you go to mine, it looks like this, okay? And that's all there's to it. Now, if you're on the phone, it's basically the same idea. You go to the settings and then you find the search setting in your browser and just set it the same way as you would in this. All right. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you aren't being tracked anymore after you do this quick little change to your browser. Take care. Have a good one.